Hello to the people who are watching this video. I'm Angel and I'm grade 4. Today I'm making onion rings for my family to eat and for my EPP project. So let's start. Hi, I'm back and I've already prepared my mix of peppers in this flour, including the crispy fry thing. And now I'm gonna dip the onion in here and the cornstarch and then in the mixed egg and put it in here and then fry it in the stove. There's already an onion in here, so and it looks so good. Okay, now we're at the stove. I'm gonna put the onion rings inside and fry it for a while. And flipping it, doing the same thing with the other ring. It's delicious, I'm gonna eat it now. Look, it's the cooking, so, and it looks good, so I'm gonna put it over here on a different plate, and the same with this one. Wow, it smells so delicious. And put more and wait. Delicious. And flip the other one. Flip that one. And this one. And wait. I'll go to it, even though it's not even cooking. And this is my finished product of my onion ring appetizer. Both looks very delicious and non-expensive. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.